Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe. Today presenting this Nissan Qashqai 1.3 DIGT MHEV Acenta Premium finished in black. It's powered by a 1.3 liter petrol mild hybrid engine producing 140 PS, offering smooth and efficient drive, which suits everyday family life perfectly. At the front, the Qashqai features sharp LED headlights with daytime running lights, giving it a confident and modern appearance. And this example sits on 17-inch alloy wheels, which complement the overall design while helping maintain comfortable and composed ride. At the rear, LED taillights, a subfloor roof spoiler and silver rear bumper inserts complete the look, while rear parking sensors and reversing camera add confidence when maneuvering. The boot offers generous and practical load area, ideal for shopping, pushchairs or weekend luggage. The 60/40 split folding rear seats allow you to extend the space easily. In the rear, passengers benefit from good legroom, rear air vents and fold-down center armrest with cup holders. ISOFIX mounting points make this practical choice for family use. Up front, the cabin feels well laid out and comfortable with height-adjustable driver's seat, including electric lumbar support. The leather-trimmed steering wheel and quality materials give the interior a very refined feel. The multifunction steering wheel places key controls at your fingertips, while the clear digital driver display presents essential driving information in an easy-to-read format. This vehicle is equipped with dual-zone automatic climate control, allowing both driver and front passenger to set their preferred temperature. An infotainment system gives you access to DAB radio and media playback via the central touchscreen, as well as phone connectivity with Bluetooth, Android Auto and smartphone integration. You can also dive into other settings for system, voice and access to vehicle settings and voice controls, and also get feedback from the reversing camera with on-screen guidance. This has been a presentation of the used Nissan Qashqai 1.3 DIGT MHEV Acenta Premium. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.